All right, we're gonna reassemble this Toledo Guild typewriter table, and all you're gonna need is a flat screwdriver, a crescent wrench or a small wrench, or you can use a pair of pliers. All you need to do is line up each leg, and in each corner there are 2 screws. There's a lock washer and a nut, so you're gonna put the screw in from the outside like that. I've already got 1 screw in here. Then your lock washer, and then the nut. You can hand tighten it as much as you can, and then use your screwdriver. And here's where you're gonna need to, once you get it tight, you're gonna need a pair of pliers or a wrench to hold the nut. And it's kind of tight in here, but so I'm using a small crescent wrench. Okay, once you get both of those tightened up, then all you need to do is repeat that for all 4 legs. And then you got the little shelf that you got to install, and there's just 1 screw, a lock washer, and a nut. Just line up the holes. Put your lock washer on, the screw. And then thread the nut. And tighten her up. And you're gonna need a small wrench or pair of pliers also on this one to get it when you get it all the way tight. And then just tighten those up, and then repeat that for all the corners. And then if you have to if you want to take the drop leaves off or put them back on, I'll just show you how you do that. You just want to push them in. This little bracket in. They're just held by tension. Like that, and then put them back on. You just line up there's a little slot at the top, you just line that up and push the bracket in a little bit with your thumb. And there they are. And then when the table's back up, you can do this too, but you just have to push down a little bit, and then and pull out, and then they can go down. So that's how you operate them. Just pull them out a little bit, push down, like so. Okay.